And Kristen, is the snow it doesn't sound like it's gonna melt away right away.
Not anytime soon. In fact, we're gonna get into the weekend and it is just going to be at a super slow crawl when it comes to the thaw. So far, our snow totals, I should say, 13 inches in downtown Portland, Salmon Creek 12 inches, Vancouver 11 inches, Beaverton 10.5 inches, Battleground 10 inches, Lake Oswego 9.5 inches. So most of us right there, right around a foot of snow on the ground over the last 18 hours. And behind this system, cold air sweeping through to keep temperatures below freezing for days. So it's not going to go anywhere, but thankfully the snow is finally starting to let up big time. Look at this. This is a look at the last 18 hours on a loop here, and you can just see how the snow did not stop. It just kept coming and coming and coming, but finally it is starting to slow down. So the only areas right now getting any snow is just north of Amboy, heading up north in that direction, and then between St. Helens and Goble, still a few little light snow showers trying to push up towards Longview. That's going to continue to lift to the north. Meanwhile, in Portland, radar is nice and clear here, and then down south you can see a few little spotty showers trying to develop and move into the valley from the Coast Range and pushing into the Cascades, but most of that just sticking to the high terrain at this point. So looking ahead, this is future radar and it's showing where we'll see potentially more snow moving through. And so as we head towards 4 p.m., there's that chance there's going to be a little more moisture around, that we may see some snow flurries or some really spotty light snow. If you see that, don't panic. We're not going in for a big round two. These will be few and far between, and it won't last long at all. So it's really not going to amount to much, but there's still that potential. We can still see a few more little light snow showers later in the day. And then after that, we're drying things out and we're in the clear as far as snow goes for days. But again, this cold air mass settling in is going to keep the snow on the ground. 29 degrees right now. We will have a tough time getting to the freezing mark even today. It feels like 20 thanks to the east winds that are coming in from the gorge. Thankfully, easterly winds have slowed down from where they were last night. We have very gusty conditions blowing that snow around, and if we had a lot of wind to deal with today, because there's so much snow on the ground, that would be getting blown around too and just creating more headaches for us. But for now, things are kind of calming down, and so there's this really pretty picture we get to look at. Thankfully, many of us do not have to be on the roads at this point. 30 degrees in Vancouver, and you can see it looks just like a beautiful winter wonderland. We even got some snow going down south in the valley. Western Oregon University, our camera there, showing 33 degrees and still some snow on the ground. This is trying to thaw out. Temperature's not quite as cold down that way. And then back to the gorge, just within the last 24 hours or so, we've had a foot of snow come down there too. So this is a look from our Skamania Lodge camera, but Hood River, over a foot of snow, or right at a foot of snow there, just within the last 24 to 30 hours. Lincoln City looking beautiful. We had some cold rain there last night, but now we're back to the sunshine. Look at that, 46 degrees. Definitely looks like it's probably one of the nicer places to be at this point in the Pacific Northwest. Temperature-wise, we're at 30 in Vancouver, 32 in Kelso. We're just barely above freezing farther south. You get down to Eugene and temperatures there in the low 40s. So definitely looking at some thawing out that way. But here, again, temperatures are going to stay below freezing for the next few hours. So hour by hour today, between 1 and 3, we may try to get up to around 30, 31 degrees. If there's some sunshine peeking through, and we may see that. But then we're back down into the 20s, and temperatures plummet tonight. We're going to be looking at lows tonight down into the low 20s. So highs today in the low 30s, right at the freezing mark for Vancouver and Portland. Mid-30s for Salem, and then we're topping out in the low to mid-40s down in Eugene. Central and Eastern Oregon, highs in the 20s here, and there's still the possibility we could add another few inches of snow just east of the Cascades there as the last of the system moves on out. Here's your 7-day forecast, and look at the cold air that's in store for us as we look ahead. So for tonight, down into the 20s. Tomorrow we're up to 31, down into the teens tomorrow night, so we're still not thawing out. Friday 30, down into the low 20s, and Friday morning, Thursday night to Friday morning, there's a possibility of freezing fog. So that could cause headaches on the roads again. And then we get into the weekend, we'll see some sunshine Saturday. We'll try to get above freezing then, and then we should make it above freezing on Sunday to really get the thaw out underway. But as you can see, it is going to be days before we get air warm enough to help out with the snow. So Mother Nature not giving us a hand. We're going to have to depend on the road crews and just the people around to get rid of the snow on the roads and make things better out there. So get ready for the cold next.
All right. Thanks a lot, Kristen.
Well, Jennifer Dowling is out in Clark County getting a look at the conditions going on up there.
So, Jennifer.